Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create simple web browser in Python PyQt. PyQt is a GUI framework developed for Python. So first of all you have to install PyQt, Python Qt. So uh, I already uploaded video of how to install, so check my video in a description. So first after the installation, uh, open Designer is a built-in application provided by PyQt to build a GUI, uh, like using only drag and drop control. So first of all, uh, create a main window, remove menu bar and status bar. We do not need to that. Resize it by prepare. Now browser uh, browser window, what contains? So first of all, it contains address bar, buttons for navigation, like go to back page and reload page, go to address. And so for that we are creating UI. For that, simply now I am using tool button instead of push button, because tool tool button have feature to get image, so that's why I am using tool button. So first of all, copy paste, for button I am setting image for that. So go to icon section here, option in property and resources. So add new resources. First of all, create a resource file. So first, browser folder, and I am creating a resource name .qrc. This is a resource file, contains the path of your icons and images. So creating icon file, resource file, then adding sorry in that, adding icons that is we are need. So this all of will required. So okay, then selecting which icon you want. So this is a back button, this is back button, so I am using back arrow. For that, click on OK. You can see here. Now you can change the size of icon. Here we go. Now same for that. Now you do not need to again create a resource file. Now again select for this is my reload button, so I am using reload over. And for forward button, forward icon, and this is for home button. Now setting up size, and now we require address bar. For address bar, I am taking line edit. Here is line edit. It's simple text box. And lastly, for go button, so changing icon of that. For go, I am using search for searching that website. Now we require web web view. Here is go for for loading pages, web pages. So size of that stretch to full size. Now changing the object name, so we can add event to that. So to this tool button, so I am using short form tv underscore and whatever name for that, so forward, for forward button, for reload button, and back, sorry I give forward name to back button, so this is my mistake. So back button. Now for home, near line edit, so alien, I am using short form alien underscore address bar. And now for search, tv underscore search. And for web view, simply you same, don't change for web view. And now save this file, my browser folder. So this is call it browser. Now you can see here the file name is, file extension is .ui. So this is UI file, this is not a Python code or Python file that directly run. So we have to convert this UI file into py file. So you can also see my video to how to convert that UI file into py. Although I am showing you how to convert, so simply save that file. Now open cmd command prompt, cd, and go to that address. This is the folder here where my UI file contains. So paste it and insert. Now you have to use command for converting. So this command is pyuc uic4 -x file name that you are going to convert. So browser.ui -o, and same file name that converted into py file, Python file. So browser, so entering. Now you can see here file is converted. Now open that file. So next tutorial I'm going to, so this is file contains my our application GUI. So in next tutorial I'm going to show you how to add event to this, like when I click to back and go to search button and load the page into that web view. And so thank you for watching.